Today we are doing a long-term analysis of Wipro. Last year in January, I had given sell in Wipro because it had given a double top pattern and target was 470. Now if you see the chart after this double bottom, the target of 470 came and it has gone way below also. Now if you see, it also gave a head and shoulders pattern breakdown. Now the target of this pattern, if you see the total length of the height is around 200 points. So target comes around 330 rupees, and which means there is still room for more fall. Now let us analyze this on a monthly chart. Now if you see monthly chart, since Wipro was at all-time high, when a stock is at all-time high, only way it has to come down if it breaks the demand zone. And if you see at this moment, it broke this demand zone. Now, once this demand zone is broken, this acts as a supply. And you see once price retraced back to this zone, there was again selling. And correspondingly, once a demand zone gets broken, all other demand zones are again broken because demand will keep on holding once price has to go up. And if it has to fall, all the demand zones will get broken. So we can see again this demand zone was there. Let me mark it. You can see this demands are also getting broken. So where will it halt? Now, if you analyze on a weekly basis, you can see this at this moment we let me draw that trend line. So this was a trend line breakout here, and after this we expected it to move up, but after this you can see also it this gave a good moment, and then this low is again broken on the downside, which means this is not an impulsive wave, because if this was the wave one, then this 100% retracement should not be there. And after this you can see this pattern becoming running flat, and for this down move, again one more down move is coming. So this looks like impulse correction and one more move down. As of now, this does not look bullish. However, if you see overall structure of this chart, you can see if you draw Fibonacci of last up move, the stock is exactly at the 61.8%, which means this is a good zone and this is a buyer's interest zone. So ideally, we should wait for something bullish to get happen on the chart. Unless and until that happens, we should not take any entries. And if target of 330 also comes in, that won't be a surprise, because as per head and shoulders, we're expected to reach there. However, in before that, if it gives a big impulsive move to the upside followed by a correction, then that will be the time to enter for next up move. And if you see the higher chart, there is no divergence on the monthly time frame, which means it will again go to the top, and from current value or even lower value, that will be around 100%, because if it has to cross the top, it will go to the top and it will clear this. So the more it comes lower, then that will be a very attractive buy. So I would wait for more dips or wait for some impulsive move to the upside to enter in this stock. If you have any doubts, please post them as comment. And if this delivers value, please subscribe and share among friends and like.